This is Sumathi from Arignar College. Welcome to my video. Today we discussed about sonnet. So first we know the word meaning of sonnet. The sonnet is a Greek word soneto, which means a sound. It is the shortest lyric of 14 lines. The sonnet can be divided into two types. A sonnet has 14 lines. A sonnet must be written in iambic pentameter. A sonnet must follow a specific rhyme scheme depending on the types of sonnet. A sonnet can be about any subject, thoughts. They are often about love or nature. A sonnet introduced a problem or question in the beginning and the resolution in the order of turns. A sonnet can be divided into, already I told that, two types. One is Italian sonnet, other than is Shakespearean sonnet. Now we discussed about Italian sonnet. Italian sonnet is also called as Petrarchian sonnet. The name of writer is Petrarch, so it is called as Petrarchian sonnet or Italian sonnet. It includes an 8 lines and 6 lines. The meaning of 8 line is octave and the 6 lines is sestet. The rhyme scheme must be begin with A, B, B, A, B, B, A and can concluded with any variation of C, D and E. The turn in the subject matter or response must occur between the octave and the sestet. The Petrarchian sonnet, we simply say that divided into two forms. First one is octave, it contains 8 lines, and sestet, it contains 6 lines. This is the variation form of Shakespearean sonnet and the Italian sonnet. This is the example for Petrarchian sonnet. One of the example, this one is Milton poem. So look at the rhyming scheme. This is the variation of Italian sonnet and the Petrarchian sonnet. Then iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter is made up of two words. This is the main point. Iambic pentameter is made up of two words, where pentameter is a combination of pent, which means 5, and meter, which means to measure. Iambic, on the other hand, in a metrical foot in poetry, when which an unstressed syllabus, this is not a stressed syllabus, this is the unstressed syllabus, is followed by stressed syllabus. It means iambic pentameter is a beat or foot that use 10 syllables in each line. Simply, it is the rhymic patterns comprising 5 iambic each lines in the 5 heartbeats. Then this is the example for Robert Frost poem. This is the best example for iambic pentameter that we discussed. Iambic pentameter is one of the most commonly used meter in English poetry. For instance or example, it except when I see bridges bent to left and right across the line of straightened rock trees. So in this Robert Frost, each lines contain 5 feet and each foot use 1 iambic. So this is one of the famous example for iambic pentameter. Then let me discuss about English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. In English, both the English or Shakespeare sonnet and the Italian Petrarchian sonnet are traditionally written in iambic pentameter. The first known sonnet is called English, written by Sir Thomas Wyatt and Henry Howard. Earl of Surrey used the Italian Petrarchian form and did sonnet by later English poets. An English sonnet is also called as Shakespearean sonnet because even though Wyatt and Surrey introduced the English sonnet, but Shakespeare only popularized the English sonnet, so the English sonnet is named after that Shakespearean sonnet. It includes 3 quatrains, a group of 4 lines, and a couplet, 2 lines. The rhyme scheme is often A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, G, G. The turn is either after 8 lines or 10 lines. So most of the Shakespearean sonnet I given the example. So look at this one. Then Spenserian sonnet. Spenserian sonnet invented by Edmund Spenser. It included 3 quatrains, 12 lines and a couplet. The rhyming scheme is AB, AB, BC and BC, CD, CD and E. The turn is the couplets. End of the 2 line is called as couplet, and also it called as linked rhyme. So these are the one example for Spenserian sonnet. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. I am very full great for this opportunity. Thank you.